We are people that have experience of building and running multiple software projects. We run official established companies ourselves, and we are providing infrastructure from our company's resources to give back to the community. The way we designed our software uses the best principles we know from designing other types of internet services, facing not only regular people browsing the web, but also businesses. That's why we consider ourselves project developers. We work in planned sprints, and we continuously deliver new value with each iteration. That's also why we're using industry-leading technologies to realize the project. MWCdirectory and MWC tools are hosted on Microsoft Azure Cloud. MWCdirectory is run on .NET 6.0, which is the newest version that can be adopted. And for the Chrome extension we're providing, we use clean vanilla JS without any artificial flavors to keep it all lightweight on the user end. For sure, we will incorporate more components into this stack as we go into further phases of the project. But yet another important thing that needs to be mentioned is that the whole software is GDPR compliant. We incorporated all the privacy regulations coming from GDPR, very similar to other regulations around the world, into the design of the services. So with the privacy being so important nowadays, we are enabling users to exercise all their privacy rights. All the software is designed with compliance with data privacy regulations and allows you to exercise those rights for data erasure and right to being forgotten. And of course, all these that we're making proof of concept on for VCOP will be also available for Twitter and YouTube very soon. We're planning big here. The sprints we will be running in MWC will be 1 moon long, as we follow our lunar leadership in all of our efforts. And the goal of the phase that we're entering now is to reach closed beta. We aim to achieve that in around half a moon. First, we will finalize integrations for VCOP, Twitter, and most certainly YouTube at this stage as well. Then we need the MetaMask gateway, so we can actually send the transactions, and with that we will be running closed beta. Next, we will be developing another component, which will be MWC Tips bot for both VCOP and Twitter, and it will be used to post comments under someone's posts if they don't have an account in MWC yet, so they can receive a tip. And there are also ideas for other applications of the MWC bot on those social media. And the ultimate goal of the functional sprint that we're starting now is to be able to tweet at Elon Musk with MWC Tips bot and tell him, hey, someone wanted to give you a tip for your tweet using MWC Tips. Visit MoonWalkCoin mwc.com/tips to claim it. ###. And on top of all that, at the same time, we will be running a content sprint. So very soon we will release MWC Tips information page. We need to finalize terms of use and privacy policies for all those services. They are already in progress. And then we want to finally publish our blog to record all of our efforts so far and to keep everyone updated in a single place. And that will let us work on the white paper, which will also adapt the information from today's presentation. And we will be working on releasing video user guides, so all the different people interested in MWC will know what to do, how to even install MetaMask and stuff. We want to have our own guides. And then we have few functional website updates, big and small things, for example, button that lets you add MWC to your MetaMask instantly. And then we will be definitely working more on promoting our project, as at this point everyone will be able to download it and use it. Then at this stage we will definitely also have YouTube integration, and next thing will be getting MetaMask out of the process as mentioned. So gateway functionalities will be merged into the extension, and at this point we will have independent wallet connect, and we will achieve what we call a standalone mode. We hope all those efforts will help us reach 5,000 holders and 20,000 transactions, and that will let us reapply for CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap. And then the final activity of that stage is releasing extension in official Chrome web store, so it is easily available for everyone. And after that, we will definitely take some time to stabilize the public version, gather all the feedback and apply it in at least 1 or 2 new versions, so March, April. And if the adoption will be heading in the right direction, we will be looking to fund MWC swap, which we would integrate into the process, and additional money deployed on contracts integrated into application mechanisms would allow to lower the cost of the transactions when you send MWC tip. Similarly, like it works when sending between accounts on Binance or other services. We believe that step would be a very good boost for adoption of our platform. And once we deliver MWC swap service, it means we are spending some serious money. So if everything goes well, the ultimate version of MWC tips is a mobile app. Using it, we could passively integrate with any social media app through link sharing, and that would allow for a seamless experience for users on all the platforms. And that is MoonWalkCoin tips and our plans for it. We provide you a platform that enhances the social media with crypto and crypto with social media, built in the community, by the community, for the community. We even came up with a specific logo of the functionality, which is based on our main logo, but now it's our beloved and known moon from our logo that is made to resemble a coin. So yeah, that's what we've been up to for the last 2 weeks. With MoonWalkCoin, it is very much different than it is with many other tokens on the smart chain. We didn't have self-fueling marketing budget, and we started to figure out how we want to lead the project after it has been actually started. Thanks to the gathering of our community, we got the right ideas, and we went on a joint venture to create something special. And we believe that we just did. Thanks to MWC tips, MoonWalkCoin is unlike any other coin on the market. There are so many coins out there that are making lots of promises on their roadmaps that are not even set in time and don't deliver. We are not yet another altcoin. We believe that thanks to the fact that our ideas come from community efforts and we realize them because we feel we're doing the right thing, we will make MoonWalkCoin truly unique player in the crypto market. You know, someone once said, "You can't build a reputation on what you are going to do." So we went building our utility, so you can see we are for real. And if you're curious, the person that said that was Henry Ford. Probably you heard of him. Okay, that's what we had for you today. Thank you, everyone. Now we will welcome all the questions from the audience, and we will be doing our best to answer them. So yeah, at the end, I want to mention that sneak peek of 1 gigabyte of code that we posted on our Telegram. People were suggesting those are maybe different things, maybe some photos or what have you. But this is actually code of MWCdirectory, our backend, and let me quickly show it to you now in its current stage. This is it. I'm currently logged in as magicgmail.com, and what I would do now is I want to submit my address to the directory. So I will create a new entry, and I need to put in my wallet address. Of course, you will be able to connect through Web3 wallet. This is currently disabled because it's still in progress. And provider ID is the social media portal that you will be choosing. Partygoons is our partner, Partygoons NFT. They're our friends, and they were first proving ground for the concept. So you can, for example, choose that you want to verify with Twitter, and then you need to post that to your account. Once you copy that to the clipboard, post it on your account, you post the link to it, you validate, and you have an entry for this given social media. On top of that, You are able to manage your account, you can enable two-factor authentication, and you can manage your personal data. You can download all your personal data and delete it at any time. So this is organized just as, for example, Active Directories that some of you may be using at work to log in. This is all done with accordance to industry standards, and we deliver our best work. Yeah, that is MWC directory. We invite everyone to enter our voting list, and thank you very much for the time today.